In a press conference held today at the Shillong Press Club, several students from Meghalaya raised concerns over the challenges posed by the upcoming Common University Entrance Test or Cuet, particularly the absence of exam centers within the state. The students explained that many of them have been allotted exam centers in far-off locations such as Mizoram, Guwahati and Kolkata. This has created significant financial and logistical burdens for their families who are now compelled to spend large sums on flight or train tickets and hotel accommodations. They stressed that the situation is especially difficult for students from rural areas and economically weaker sections who may not have the means to travel outside the state to appear for the exams. During the press meet, the students made a direct appeal to Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Education Minister Rakam Sangma, urging the state government to take immediate action and coordinate with relevant authorities to set up Cuet exam centers in Meghalaya. They emphasized that such a step would greatly ease their difficulties and ensure fair access to higher education for all.
We will be very much welcomed by the students if the government can take any initiative into providing CVT centers for those students who have been allotted the centers in a far-off city. It would be much welcome and it would be much liked by the students if we could get a CVT center here in Shillong. We are not asking for CVT to be exempted. Rather, we are asking for our centers to be much more accessible. Our centers may not be accessible. The centers provided by the NTA may not be much accessible to each and every one of us. Some students may have the capacity, they may have knowledge, they may have the brain power, right? So, however, they are not able to give their 100%, nor are they able to write the exam just because of financial constraints. Maybe they might be less fortunate or some inconvenience in traveling to a far-off city. We have examination centers in Meghalaya itself. Why is it that only a few students are getting Meghalaya? Why is it that NT doesn't set the centers for specific students from that state? Suppose it's students of the state of Meghalaya. Why don't they get the center in Meghalaya itself? Students of Maharashtra, why not in Maharashtra? Students of Kolkata, why not in West Bengal? So this is what we students do not understand, and we feel like we are deeply, it is unjustified in fact. This initiative taken by NTA is unjustified. So it should be noted that we are students who are concerned about other students who are not being able to give the CVT exams. In fact, the speakers here and other members who are other students who are sitting in this conference have passed their board exam with flying colors.
Board kijing na kaya nakabapagya in CVT na maba last year mila double exams and kini ki issues ki mi hadir mi double exams kum ba flag tab ke bajahan ni hu but kum hakimi ki exam center there kaba alok shaisa Rakam Sangma but nila part nila art letter but nila mention 3 conditions mo ba in last year in release like official government statement but exam no like CT nakabenta ka batch 2024 they fortunately thankful to God ba ka CT kala exam chini last year but nila yo ban the colleges ki pinakwa daga marks from HSSC the second condition act was ba the government of Meghalaya should actually take initiative, take initiative, but prepare, but make take initiative, but make preparations. Nakabenta ka ni kabatch kabanuan ka ni kini ki juniors ki jangan. Baka lo kabas ko si shisha bani iba. What mentar 2024 lo kita nggak iba ki jut tinggi and kata it's even more than but this time ni kita asha alot keleng there. Local bahasa si shisha bani iba kasur ke jongi ki kena samla jongani kapoi ke chekni ki he hai ki ba benta kani ke jongi mo but kalau kabalong very kapendu implemente ni bagi pursue di further education juni habagi ibe bagari ke jong kani kasi ke di jantiare garu jongi kam shikya ke jini ki kena mo but bakam snap ni kasur ka bagi ki juna ki bagi wanya hab government there long katakin long Kalau very disappointing bani iba ka government kam shim kiate ki jing ki adaman semua keniwan dalam kamaka government, but ni kepat ya the education department ya respectable chief minister ba semua hati ban production state ya ini ya kalau we kerja ni kena mo kani kari Meghalaya, we are the future kan mo, we would be the voice for the generation